I will show you how you can export the reports from the cloud. Okay, first you want to check you are selecting the correct activity. Again, on the left hand side, activity selector, confirm which activity you are selecting and confirm if you are selecting just one activity or multiple activities. And then on the right, also confirm if you are selecting the correct athletes. For example, if you are looking at individual report, you want to select only one player. But if you are switching back to the team report, the session report or match report, you want to deselect the player by clicking him again. And now you will see all the other players are coming back again. Or you can also right click here and deselect all. And then it will automatically include all the players in the team. Okay. And there are three ways to export your data. The first one is to export PDF. So you can select which dashboards you want to export. If I want to export a session report, I can right click here and export PDF. And here you will see the preview of the PDF. Just make sure nothing is going wrong. And you can change the heading here. For example, you can change it to something like the date and the training date code. You can also put your name, your team's name here. And you can also adjust the font size here, but I will suggest just keep using this extra small. You can send it to an email or you can also download directly. So click Save and Export. Depending on how many pages, how long is your report, usually it will be just a few seconds for the download. And once it's downloaded, you can see the PDF report here and you can share the report to the other coaches or to the athletes. Okay, this is how to export the PDF. The second way is to export Excel. For example, if you want to export this table into Excel sheet, you can right click on this table and export CSV. Again, you can download directly or you can email it. Now I click download. It's very fast. You can open it directly. You can open it in um, any software that you like. You can also open it in Google Sheet or Excel sheet as well. And the third way is to export CTR, which is with more details and also with more parameters. Usually you can use this to import data into a third-party platform like Power BI or other databases. So to export CTR, you can right-click here on the timeline and export CTR. You can either choose to export all the parameters or you can also create parameter groups and only export a few parameters. You can select if you want to export all athletes or only the selected athletes. You can also select if you want to include tags or not, and then export. This will take a little bit longer time, but also just a few seconds. I can open it by using Excel. In the CTR report, it's not only including the whole session's data, it's also including every drill's data. So here you can see the first column is the athlete name. The second column is showing you whether it's the whole session's data or each period or each half's data. And then I'll go to, then you can see there are a lot of parameters selected. I actually selected all the parameters. It's showing you the full data. So depending on what you want to see, you can select these three different ways of exporting the report: PDF, or export CSV, or export CTR.